Real quickly, before we pull up artificial analysis, just wanted to chat real briefly on kind of the high level overall difference between the approach between the US and China in the A arms race. One of the things I've been seeing, you had sent me a video the other day, I checked out, and I've been seeing in the news, is China is really big on kind of open sourcing, if you will, everything, whereas the US is very much closed. And other than that, are there any other major differences in the approach? Because that piece obviously has the implications of shared knowledge versus containerized knowledge, and that obviously changes the rate of production, the rate of adaptation, the rate of growth. Any other major things, any other kind of foundation stuff before we jump to the numbers? The
Yeah,
approach.
that's a whole rabbit hole in and of itself. So the first thing I want to say on open source, there's only one truly open source model as the way we think of it. So open source traditionally has meant that you can download the code and you own the code and you can run the code and get the exact same output as the person who wrote the code.
Mhm.
These models are open weight. So without getting too nerdy, essentially they give you the weights, but they don't give you the data. So you can't reproduce this ground up the way that any of the Chinese labs are. So I do want to start off with that clarification of its open weight.